Guys, let me introduce to you GTR Academy's placement ecosystem. This is a very powerful tool that we are introducing, and it has a resume builder as well. So today we'll be talking about the resume builder. Very simple, very quick that we'll be doing. I'll be taking you through the quick one. I've already shared, there is one more video coming up which will let you know how to do with the guided one. But this is how it looks like. We can select any template from the 50 templates that we have. I would like to choose anyone like this. So once we have selected the template, all we have to do is fill in the basic information that is already here. I have already filled some of the information, so it was showing, but we have to be very sure because these are two sides of the resume. If we put our cursor here, we'll be able to do it up and down. If we put our cursor here, we'll be able to do this up and down. So be very particular about it because it will avoid a lot of problems. So I'm putting professional summary as data science, then I'm putting as Power BI, then I'm putting as machine learning, prior 15 years experience in marketing and sales. What else do I don't want to put anything else. If you have anything from your previous profile also, you can just add it over here, and then you can go up and let's do AI generate. So get started, and key skills and everything is coming. Education, high school, California, no, I will put GNDU. I'll put high school, I will put as my school name. And mid-level experience, yes, I do have. And then I'll ask generate. So it will take approximately less than 1 minute for my CV to get generated. But yes, we do have to fill the informations from it so that, you know, it can come. For example, employment history, education, everything will have to be filled by us, and then only it will take. So AI can help you do in a proper way, but yes, we have to give the information. The more accurate input you give, the more accurate output you get. So you can use the keywords from your previous CV and the keywords of the course that you have done with us, so that you can get the best CV, which is ATS friendly as well. And then you can just download your CV from yeah, so what you have to do is you have to press shift button and control and minus, and then there is an option called download, so you can download. So I'm logging in. Now the CV has got downloaded, and you can just open it and check. So that's how your CV will look like. But of course, you'll have to put the information that you want in it, so the AI can work accordingly. And you can even check the templates later on. For example, I do this, my CV is getting updated accordingly, and then it is downloading in the new template that I've selected. So this is how it works. Perfect. Great. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.